Good evening everyone. This video is about how to upload video in YouTube. For that, first you have to get the link from the FBVK group. Then only you will be a manager and you can upload the video in YouTube. Now I am going to show you my Gmail account where I had got the link and I had accepted it. Okay. So first everybody has to accept that request. Now you see my Gmail account. Here I had got my request, which one I accepted, and I became a manager. Now we can see all of you are the manager, like Sindhu ma'am, Sundari ma'am, Chiranjeevi sir. Though they have accepted the request, so they are the manager now and they can upload their video in school's channel. So first, when you will get the request from the BVK group, you have to accept it. Then only you can upload the video in YouTube. So after accepting the request, what you will do is you have to open YouTube here. YOUTUBE YouTube, you have to open here. Once you will open the YouTube, here it will display you. Here it will display you the logo. Right? Suppose first it will show you your ID, and then only it will show you if you will accept, if you will choose this, then only it will come. So first thing what you have to do is, here you have to click. If it is showing school's logo, it is fine. It means you are in school's channel. Otherwise, here you have to choose. What you have to choose is, you have to choose switch account. You have to click on switch account. Once you will click on the switch account, it will show you your personal account as well as school's account. So I have to select school's account, school's channel. So I will click ABVK group. Once I will click on the ABVK group, here it will show me. Then what I will do, I will click here and I will go to your channel. Click on your channel. Once you will click on your channel, it will show you ABVK group and whatever the videos you have uploaded. For example, I want to upload my video, which one I have created in YouTube. So what I will do, first I will click on this symbol. This plus symbol I have to click, create a video or post. Once I will click here, it will show me two options, upload video and go live. Click on upload video. Once you will click on upload video, it will show you the option select file. It will show you the option select files. From here, you have to select that particular video file which you want to upload in YouTube. So click on select files. Now it will take me to the location where my videos are there, or I have to go through the location where my videos are there and I will choose and I will upload. Here I have kept in D drive. I had created a folder called CPD, means Cyberlink Power Director, under which I had created these 3 videos. As I have told you, you have to maintain the format like this. In your name, you have to take the class name. Within that, you have to take the lesson name. Under the lesson name, you have to keep ready everything, so that it will be easy for you to search and it will be easy for you to upload. Okay, so now suppose I want to upload this video. So what I will do, I will select this video, then I will click on open. Once I will click on the open, you can observe the screen, it is uploading the video. So it is showing me title. So what is the name of my video, that I will give here. Then description. In description you can give some keywords, like here this video is about ABVK group, which one I had prepared. Suppose I want to write all 4 schools name here. So here I can write description. So what your video is about, that you can write in description, but no need to write history. Some keywords only we can mention here, so that it will be eye-catching. Okay. So once description part is over, you see here my video is uploading. So you have to wait until it becomes 100%. In between, don't do anything. Keep it in mind, it should be 100% uploaded. Then only we will go for the next part. Once it is done, what I will do, I will go to down. See here, once my video is completely done, it will show me here. Here it will show me that already it has been uploaded. So after that, what I will do, now you see here, this picture should come here. Once it will be done successfully, it will be displayed me here. It will be displayed here. So up to that time, I have to wait. It will take some time. I have to wait for that. Once this part is done, I will go to next part. Let it finish first. Get our video to upload completely. Now you can see our video is completely uploaded. After that, what I will do? Upload thumbnail. As I have told you, you have to take the format which has been designed. Afterwards, I will show you how to convert the PPT into image. But now for the timing, already one is there with me. So that one only I will upload. So click on upload thumbnail. Now it will show me, it should be in image format. So I have one format which has been decided that it will be uploaded in all the videos. So I am going to this folder, sorry. Within that folder, I have to choose the format which has been designed. For example, this one I will choose, then click on open. Okay, now this is going to be first page or thumbnail. So it is common for everyone. Only you need to change your subject name, class name, then your details, name of the teacher and the chapter name. This much only has to be changed. All other things will remain same for everyone. So as soon as I will choose my thumbnail, after that what I will do, I will choose the playlist. It is very, very important. Playlist, it has been created from standard 1 to standard 10. Means for which standard I want to upload this video. This is a common video I am uploading, but whenever you are uploading according to your class. For example, 6th standard. So you have to choose 6th standard, means that topic related to 6th standard only. That may be math, that may be science, that may be English. Any subject, but they are of the 6th standard will be uploaded within this group only. ABVK STD standard 6. ABVK standard 6. Suppose 7th standard, whatever subjects are there in 7th standard, it will be uploaded in ABVK standard 7. Okay. So now, for example, I want to upload in ABVK standard 7. So this is very, very important, so that only they can know which class video is this. If I will post 7th standard video in 6th standard, it is going to be confused. So before uploading the videos, this is very, very important. You have to choose playlist. So here, suppose I am choosing ABVK standard 7. So select it. Once you will select, click on done. Okay. Now it will be uploaded in ABVK 7 standard. Now you see, yes, it is made for kids. You have to select it. Yes, it is made for kids. So click on yes, it is made for kids. Once this is done, no other thing we have to do. You click on next. So this is the link for your video. If I will click on this link, means I can directly watch this video. So now click on next. Next. Again click on next. Again it is going to show me how I want to publish my video. Whether I want it public or private. Okay. So what I will do, I will make it public because I want that my video will be shown to everyone. So click on public. Then click on publish. Then click on publish. Once I will click on publish, this video will be completely uploaded in ABVK group. Okay. Now click on close. Now everybody can see this video has been uploaded here. Okay. This video has been uploaded here. So up to this, everybody is clear, I think, how to upload the video in YouTube. One more thing I had told you, that I will show you how to update this PowerPoint file and you have to convert it into image, because here I cannot upload a PowerPoint file directly. I have to convert it into image. So for that, what I have to do, I am going to take you to the format, then I will explain you how to convert it into an image file. Okay, I think this part is complete for everybody, no doubts. Next, we will see how to convert the PowerPoint file into image and we have to upload it as thumbnail. Okay, so for that, I am going to this folder. Within this folder also, I have my PPT. So I will open that PPT. Then I will show you. For example, this format 1 only, I think this one, format 1. Now it is a PNG file. So this one I cannot take. Leave it. Let me see. This one. So this is the format which has to be uploaded as thumbnail. So this is a PowerPoint file. So directly I cannot upload it. For that, what I have to do, I have to go to Office button. There you click on Save As. According to your subject you change. Here I have given subject computer. If math you change math. If science you make science. Then grade, chapter name, teacher's name. These things to be changed or the other things will remain same. After doing this, go to Save As. Then open it again. So file, save as. Once I will click on save as, it will show me this dialog box. From save as type down here, observe carefully. From here you choose which option you will choose. You will choose PNG portable network graphics format. Click there, then click on save. So now this file is going to be converted into a PNG format. So you have to click on current slide only. Click on current slide only. Now this file is converted into a image format. So let us see here everybody. Now my PowerPoint file has been converted into the image file. This file you can upload in YouTube as thumbnail. I hope everybody understood up to this much. If you have any doubts, tomorrow you ask me. Thank you.